I hope every child who sees this sign knows they already have a friend waiting here.
Come in if you'd like. You don't need an invitation. You're already welcome.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm Ben. You can read, play games, or just relax with us. When I came here for the first time, I was scared too. But everyone became my friend.
A house becomes a home when people open both the door and their hearts.
This corner is for anyone who wants a little peace and a good story.
Sometimes one friendly sentence can make someone feel much braver.
This is exactly what I dreamed about.
Would you like to read this story with me? It's much more fun when we read together.
Nobody loses today. We're all on the same team. I wonder why he looks so worried. Hi, I'm Mike. Would you like to join us? We'd be happy to meet you.
I don't think I belong there.
Maybe someone made him feel left out before.
Maybe someone made him feel left out before.
Sometimes lonely children don't need louder invitations. They need stronger reasons to believe those invitations are real.
I want every child to smile before they even open the door.
This place feels happier every single weekend. Members only! This isn't the message we wanted.
I don't think an angry person did this. I think it was another child.
These footprints are fresh. Whoever changed our sign was here only yesterday.
I don't think someone who wanted trouble would leave their backpack behind. I think these drawings tell us how someone feels.
I used to feel exactly like this. Sometimes lonely people push others away before they can be left behind. Please wait! We're not angry.
Don't chase a frightened heart too quickly. Walk slowly and let trust catch up.
This sign should always make people smile.
Good morning. We're happy you're here. Come inside whenever you're ready.
Stories become even better when we share them together.
I don't think he needs another invitation. I think he needs a friend who understands him. I think you're right.
He took the book. That means he trusted your kindness.
This is my favorite chapter. I like that part too. Can I ask you something? Did you write members only on our sign?
Yes. If people believed it was members only, I wouldn't be the only child left outside.
My name is Mike. What's your name?
My name is Ethan. My family moves a lot. Every time I make a friend, we leave again. After
I know that feeling. I was bullied before, and I thought nobody wanted me either. But Mike showed me I was wrong. I can't promise that life will always be easy, but I can promise you'll never face it alone when you're with us.
What if the other children don't like me?
They don't need you to be perfect. They only want to meet the real you.
You don't have to walk behind us. Walk with us. Hey! We saved your favorite seat by the window. We made this yesterday. I think it matches your book.
Ethan, would you like to read the next page?
You have a really nice reading voice. I'm really sorry I painted members only. I wouldn't feel different anymore.
You weren't trying to hurt people. You were trying to protect your own heart. Would you like to help us make it beautiful again?
Yes. I'd really like that.
What are you thinking?
Some children don't believe they're welcome. They need to hear that they already belong before they even open the door.
Nobody should wonder if they belong. They should know it the moment they arrive.
I like this sign. It makes me feel happy already.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I was scared on my first day too. Come with me.
You helped Ethan find confidence. Now he's sharing it with someone else.
Today, everyone has a reading partner. Stories are even better when we share them.
Every picture tells its own story, just like every child.
Write one kind thing about another person today.
Kind words make this treehouse even stronger.
Today's story is about a tiny bird that believed it had no family until it discovered kindness.
I think rainy days are even better here.
I don't want to bother anyone.
You won't bother anyone. I thought the same thing before I came here.
We've been waiting for another friend.
I understand something now.
What is it?
The sign didn't only change me. It keeps changing everyone who walks through that door.
Friendship is built slowly, but it lasts a very long time.
I've never seen so many happy faces here. Good morning. We're really glad you're here. Hi. I'll stay with you until you feel comfortable. That's what my friends did for me.
The brave little bear found a brand new friend.
Every voice is important here.
Our tree grows because every friend matters.
Someone may need your kind words today.
Every Saturday, we'll begin with one simple promise.
Let's promise to welcome every child, listen with kindness, and never let anyone feel alone.
We promise!
Look around. Every child has found a friend.
What makes this place so special?
We don't ask children to earn a place here. We remind them they already have one.
If you hadn't talked to me that day, I'd still be hiding behind that tree.
You found your own courage, Ethan. We only opened the door. You chose to walk through it.
It reads, "The home of every child." This treehouse belongs to every child in Maplewood.
This little treehouse became something much bigger than wood and nails. It became hope.
You already belong. I've never felt welcome this quickly.
That's because you were already part of our story. Every child deserves a place where they feel safe. Sometimes kindness begins with one smile, simple message. You already belong.